What's up guys, Johnny here, and if you're new to this channel, I show you ways to invest in the stock market, day trading, swing trading, and making long-term plays to make passive income such as dividends monthly and quarterly. If you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel, smash that little bell so you don't miss out when I go live and day trade Monday through Friday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Why am I talking so fast? Because I am excited for you guys for this potential opportunity. Now, if you can't see the screen, then open your eyes, because look, there is nothing but green on my screen. Now, if you guys are subscribers to the channel, you will know that these are the same 20 companies, 23 companies that I have been watching for quite some time now. We talk about them on the Sunday night stock talks at 7 p.m. We talk about them every single morning before pre-market and during market hours. We trade these companies. We love these companies. And as you can see, these companies are doing nothing but go up. Most of these companies are green. 15 out of 23 are green, and the ones that are not green are only down by a little bit. Now, why am I telling you this? Because Reddit is up 30%. 30%. You could have made $300 on a $1,000 investment. Octagon is up 12% today. Lucid up 5, JetBlue up 4, Hood up 4, ARM 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Now it's all green. Why? Because we are only picking the stocks that have great A+ setups. Now, if you don't know what an A+ setup is, then you need to stop living under a rock and start watching some of my videos. Now, we're going to go over just something really quick here. As you can see, Reddit is insanely up. Now, we called this company out yesterday on the Stock Talk. It was going into this buy area, which is just fantastic, guys. And this support range just bounced completely off the support range, and it's up 51%. What's 51% on $1,000? That's 500 bucks you could have made in a single day investing in Reddit. Now let's keep going. Lucid had a huge call out right here. Look at this. It was trading at $2.70 something cents. Now it's at 25% before pre-market. So before everyone was awake, before the world decided to get up, wipe their little eyeballs awake, they could have potentially made over $250 on a $1,000 potential trade. Neo is another one of those companies that went up and then back down. Octagon also went up, and this is just another player that we can watch. If you invested in this company yesterday and you held overnight, you'd be up 40%. 40% overnight. That's $400 on a $1,000 investment. If you waited and you were like, hey, I guess I'm going to buy it today because I did not watch Johnny's live trading session or his Sunday night stock talk, well, then guys, you could have got in today, this morning, and made another 17 or 18% on your profit. 18% on $1,000 is 180 bucks. Now, tell me somebody that makes $180 in the first hour of waking up. Heck, tell me someone that makes $180 in a single day. There's not many, there's not a lot, unless you are like a middle class or a white collar worker that makes like $200 a day. Yes, that is like the new average. $200 a day is like an average, right? But look, guys, this is easy money here. And this is what this whole channel is about. All I want you guys to do is learn how to make money, use that hard-earned money that you work so hard for to make you more money, so that way one day it'll replace your monthly expenses. Another one right here, 5%. Now 5% isn't a lot, but guys, 5% on a $1,000 trade is 50 bucks. Quick 50 bucks on SoFi. Sound is not looking so good. Rivian, not so good either. Hood, although Hood is up only about 5%, it is showing nice signs of an upward momentum. Now there's still opportunities for this company to go up, so definitely follow along with my investing journey on how you can start investing too. I've done my time, I've done my skills in learning and training and everything that I needed to do in order to be successful in the stock market. Now it's your turn to be successful in the stock market, and the only way you're going to do that is by watching my videos, trading live with me, or at least watching me trade live every morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, just for you guys. You could ask me questions, you could watch me trade. Why did I buy that? Why did I sell that? Get inside my head, see what I'm thinking, and learn from my mistakes, so that way you make a lot less mistakes in your investing journey. Now, I've lost thousands of dollars, unfortunately, but now I am able to actually start making some money. As you can see here, I started this account roughly with $300, making 3% on average every single day. Now 3%, it was only about $9 on $300, but watch this. 3% on $30,000 is 900 bucks. How would you like to make $900 in a single day? That's right, guys. $900 in a single day can happen to you, and it can only happen by watching my videos, learning some skills, educating yourself, maybe trading with some paper trading money, which you can definitely do as well. Let me pull that over to you real quick. And as you can see, Right here, we are on the WeBull. Now you can sign up with the link below. I have WeBull, MooMoo, and Robinhood all available for you to get your feet wet in the trading game. Now, right here on the side, you have watch list, options, stocks, market, screener, trade, account, and what's that? Paper trading. Paper trading, guys. And what is this? We can now paper trade? Yes, you can. So now there's no risk, no obligation, and no actual anything for you to start trading. There's no excuses for you to start trading and learning how to trade right now. You don't even need to use real money. You could use fake money. Obviously, I do not use fake money. I use real money. And I just made this as an example today in our live trading stream, our live day trading session just for you guys this morning. So if you didn't watch that, definitely go back and watch this morning's video. We talk a lot about how paper trading can help new investors learn how to trade using not their money, using fake money, money that does not exist. So you have no actual risk involved when learning how to trade stocks. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time and your value. We just hit over 5,000 subscribers on the channel, so definitely smash that like button and become a member of your own. Just hang out with us, say hi, whatever you want to do, come into the channel and enjoy the content that I'll be providing for you. I appreciate your time and I value each and every one of you. Tell a friend, tell a family member. Let's get more people involved on how you can make money every single day in the stock market before everyone even wakes up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow in the live trading session. So make sure you come prepared, get a pencil and paper, take some notes, eat your Wheaties, drink your coffee, but definitely come focused and ready to learn. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next one.